Hey guys, what's going on? This is Addison with the Square Car Company, and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to find all the safety features here on this 2022 Volvo XC60. So in order to get to that section of the vehicle, you press the gear button right here, and then you go to driving, and then all of a sudden you have all of these safety assistance. So just like the Volvo XC40, this car has basically the same technology. So right here we have lane keeping aid, which basically keeps you inside your lane, and that's the little icon right there. Then we got road sign information. When you turn that on, you'll be able to notice that the road signs are displayed, and then the ready to drive notification is right there. It allows you to understand that the car is ready to go. So I hope this video actually helps someone who is wanting to buy a 2022 XC60. These are awesome cars. I love them. They are by far one of my favorites, close to the XC40 Recharge. But anyways, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. See ya!